Here are a couple of classic hanging car fresheners from the iconic Little Trees brand. Yes, the tree-shaped air fresheners you've been probably seeing dangling from rear view mirrors everywhere since the early 1950s. I believe these are the OG in car freshener products, and they're still a go-to for easy, affordable freshness with a huge variety of scents to choose from. So first up, we have Royal Pine here. This is the original evergreen scent that started it all, and for good reason. Think clean, crisp forest air with that unmistakable pine aroma that immediately makes your car feel a bit more outdoorsy. So how to use these things? Well, you just open them. They have a little bit of a dangly thing. You put it up from your mirror. You can keep the packet on to deliver a little bit at a time, or if you're just like me, you just take the packet off and let it dangle. It's fine. So this is a yummy one. And now here I also have Sunset Beach. This is a totally different mood. This one wraps you in a warm, relaxed beach at dusk scent with honeyed neroli, soft, musky notes, and delicate white florals that feel like summer hanging in the air long after the sun dips below the horizon. So I actually live in the subtropics, but I'm going to use the pine one first until it warms up. It's winter for me right now. And then when it gets warmer, I'm going to switch up to this one, which won't take too long. Because basically these guys, for me, they only last a month, and I keep a whole stack of them in my glove box in the car, and every month I switch them out. But they can last up to 7 weeks. 2 at least. They can last longer even if you're bothered to keep them partially in their protective covers. But I can't bother with that. I just take them off and dangle them. I don't want that paper stuff hanging in the mirror. It doesn't look good. So yeah, these usually are sold in groups. Packets of 4 to 8, I think, is standard. Be careful because once they're open, the scent will start to dissipate. So this will keep the scent intact. So there you go. Little Trees. My passengers love me for these, and so will yours. And you can use them elsewhere too, like in your closets.